Let's start the day, shall we? For a manufacturing industry, a good day means minimal machine downtime and accurate stock counts. You can accomplish this with Monitor ERP, an all-in-one ERP system tailored to empower manufacturers to achieve world-class production. With the complete ERP system, you can access real-time data, receive purchase order suggestions, and generate accurate reports. You will never miss a step. No more unnecessary wastage when you can effectively manage your stocks. Keep your customers happy and satisfied with on-time delivery. Ingest your business data, create and customize reports with graphs and charts using business intelligence. All with just a few clicks on our user-friendly interface. Experience the efficiency of a streamlined, paperless workflow with Monitor ERP. Synchronize different departments regardless of the location. Ending the day like this feels great, doesn't it? Make the right choice. Choose Monitor ERP today.